The issue concerning the Southend Mall has been going on for some time now, and I remember in 2017 the CEC for Lands Nairobi had spoken about not giving an occupation certificate or license to the owners before the completion was done. Now what we have right now just behind me is a section that has been demolished, although partially, and as we speak now the bulldozer is cooling off some distance away, but the demolition has been ongoing since early morning. Now, Southend Mall has two parts, and just in between we have the Ngong River. So these grounds that I'm standing on, there's a slab that covers the river. You can't see the river from here, but you can still see the inspection ducts that are just next to me here. But what is happening now is that to my left, the demolition has begun, but going to the right side of the Southend Mall that is closer to the roundabout on Langata Road, Mbagathi, that demolition has not really begun in earnest. But again, we've had the management of the building coming here to defend their case. They say that the demolition is unfair to them. And joining me is one of the lawyers representing the ownership of this Southend Mall. Kindly tell us what's your name and what is your role in this building?
My name is Mariaria. I actually act for, I'm an advocate of the Court of Kenya. I practice the name and style of Mariaria and Company Advocates. I act for Mosiera Trading Company, the proprietor of this building, and all I know is that I was surprised in the morning when my client called me and informed me that tractors are moved to the site, ready to demolish the building. But we have a stay, and all parties that are concerned are participated in that stay, and that stay is by consent.
Let's begin from the background. When did this all begin? When did the construction begin?
Well, that can be answered by my client. But the document I've seen is that they are licensed. Well, my client can say when they started building. I looked at the documents that are given to me, and I know it is the building started. The licenses were issued by NEMA, NEMA, and the Nairobi City Council. At that time, those are the only agencies that were giving licenses. What might not come, that's water resources and management authority, and National Construction Authority. They were not in existence then. But we later on enjoined all these parties in this suit. National Construction Authority is a defendant, Nairobi City Council is a defendant, or Nairobi NEMA is a defendant, and the Warma is a defendant. We have a stay. Something is known. My client has been ambushed in the morning, and all I know is that there is a stay, and this known to all the parties. They have been served the order, received the court order. My client tells me never received any notice that they are coming to destroy. My client says it's an ambush.
There is an argument concerning the closeness of the buildings to the river. Did you take that into consideration? Is it factored in?
You know, you are asking me a wrong question. I'm an advocate. And all I know is that I have documents and I've gone to court and I have a court order.
The law is also very clear concerning the distance to which someone should set up construction regarding the closeness to water bodies.
That was set out. Licenses were given by the people, the authorities concerned, so they must have known about it. There is a report, a clear report, a very bulk report that was given out, and they are not within the normal proximity of the river. They're actually out of that, whatever there is, they are okay. The buildings are properly controlled. So, as per the documents I got, as per the reports are in my possession, as per the documents before the court.
Now that the demolition has begun, what next?
Well, I'm susceptible to my client's instructions. If my client tells me to move, because this is wrong, and when there is a stay, without notice destroying, the clients can actually go for compensation. But that depends on what he wants to do.
Now that you've spoken about compensation, what is the estimated worth of these buildings?
No, I can't say that. That is not within my province.
You have to know what you're dealing with. You have to know the net worth of what you're dealing with.
You see, what an advocate takes is instructions. A document like this, I don't even think the client can say so. A quantity surveyor will say how much has taken and how much of, there's a matter experts that will say that. Yeah, will be advised properly by the client, and we'll also render our advice. Yeah.
Thank you for your time.